morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a bit of a different one due to the current situation, the current state of affairs. Everyone is obviously going into isolation and not leaving their house, and I'm one of those people, and my mum sent my boyfriend away, so I'm lonely and bored because I can't go to work and Moon kicked out Jack. So I thought, as you're all stuck inside watching YouTube, you can watch me. So my video count might up to 3 days a week because I don't really have anything to do. I might add a little Friday video in there. This is my first full day in isolation, so I'm gonna bring you with me, give you stuff to do. Gonna do a bit of speed cleaning. I've got to clean the fishies. Got to, like, you know, some self-love, self-care, and then some food that you can cook that's nice, but it's also long shelf life food. I thought I'll do some self-care stuff because with for me especially, well, I can't really speak for you, can I? I can only speak for myself, because like the gym and stuff is shut. I feel like my mental's definitely gonna take a hit for that, because that's what makes me feel like okay and like not spiral. And then I'm not allowed to see Jack, even though we're gonna ignore that, and I'm just gonna go and see him anyway. I think without him being here and without the gyms being open, defo mental health is gonna take a hit, not gonna lie. I'm kind of ready for that. I'm expecting that to happen. I can't say I'm ready for it because I'm really bad at dealing with it. I think we all know that. I'm just like making sure I'm getting ready in the morning nice and slow, making myself feel good. Make sure yourself is a priority. I'm really talking like an expert. I'm really not an expert, am I? I'm just basing this off how I feel. Do you know what I mean? Like, really not an expert. Would just like to point that out to you all. My hands are so sore. Is anyone else? From always hand sanitizing. I might sort of try and find a way of doing like a home workout, because going to the gym just keeps me okay. Like, I went last week and I've just felt so good. Not like, I don't really know, I just felt good about myself. I felt okay, like I was doing something about myself, do you know what I mean? But now, I'm not sure if the gym's actually shut yet, but Moon won't let me go. She's gone a bit mad. I'm a bit worried about how I'm gonna feel. Seeing as we're all staying in, I can recommend some shows to watch, because, you know, everyone's just watching their TV now. Right, what's good on Netflix? The Stranger. I've only watched a couple of episodes, but I am getting into it, not gonna lie. I might take this self-isolation moment to finish it, because I started watching it with my mum and then she watched it without me, love that, and then I wanted to watch it with Jack, but he's not here anymore. How to Get Away with Murder. I cannot stress it enough how much of the literal best program it is. It's about, obviously, people who commit a murder and how they have to get away with it, clues in the name, but it's also just really just so good. There's 5 series, so it's a long one, like it's a good one for self-isolation. I was telling my mum about it, she was like, can I watch it in an afternoon? I was like, woman, no. But it's got underlying themes of like the justice system and like it's just really good. I just really liked it. Call the Midwife, if you haven't watched that already. It's so good. It's so good and it's so cute, and you don't have to watch it. Yes, it's a series, but like the main characters stay the same, but each episode there's different storyline. Obviously Friends and How I Met Your Mother, my two like basics, and Brooklyn Nine-Nine, which my dad is being obsessed with. Me and Jack are watching You at the moment. We're on like episode 10 or something. Literally, we're only just in there, but I'm really liking it actually. It's actually good, like I'm a big fan. And I think that's everything. We do watch a lot of stuff though. What else have we loved watching? I do like Miranda. I think we all know I love a bit of Miranda. Jack liked Sex Education, and that's got the 2nd series out now, so it's a bit of a longer watch, isn't it? And then movies, A Quiet Place. We watched that the other day. Bloody cracking, it's so good. The Breakfast Club, obviously, my favourite film. Drop Dead Fred is a banging film. But what I did watch the other day actually was the remake of Dumbo. I actually really loved it. Right, I'm gonna get dressed and then we'll clean my bedroom. I'll see you in a bit. I mean, I'm wearing this little top and these like jeans, but I just feel a bit like a teacher, not gonna lie. I just think I look a bit primary school teachery. Oh well, hopefully it's fine. I'm not going anywhere. Nearly fell downstairs. I'm not going anywhere and I feel nice. No one's gonna be like, she looks like a primary school teacher. And now me and Moom are gonna make some, sorry if you can hear the radio, some breakfast. It's gonna be breakfast for me, but lunch for her. And I'll show you what we make. Okay, we love the lighting in here. I'm going to make us some porridge because oats are a long life thing and you can just make them with water. I'm gonna do half and half, water and oat milk, but you can use UHT like milk, so that's long lasting I guess. And it's really tasty if you add frozen berries, that's what we're gonna add, and they're obviously long life and it's a great way to eat fruit and it keeps forever. Probably not ever, but you know, it keeps for a long time. I think I put my porridge recipe in a vlog before. I just do half a cup of everything, but then obviously if you were just using water, do a whole cup of water. There we go, I've had my had my breakfast slash basically lunch because it's 2:45, and I'm going to tidy my room because it's a bit of a dump, not gonna lie. And then I need to go around the house and clean all the little door handles because my mum's getting OCD about coronavirus, so yeah, I love that. So I'll bring you with me for that. Do a little speed clean. Sorry, I'm feeding Buddy. I'll pop you up here and you can enjoy the complete satisfaction. Okay, I've come down to the kitchen and I'm going to use this, this looks so dirty, this antibacterial stuff. We bought this giant pack that you then dilute, so it makes 30 washes, 30 like bottles, 30-litre bottles. It's the same as like Dettol, and I'm just gonna go around and do like the knobs, the taps, the light switches, places that we touch a lot. Because you don't really think about it, like the top of a chair, like that's how you pull your chair out, isn't it? So just that sort of stuff. It's been very odd, but yes, definitely making me more aware of things I need to be clean and tidy about. So I'm going to go and get changed, put some trackies on a little top or something, and then probably cook tea, probably start cooking tea, do some shopping, and I will catch you later on. Gang. I need to stop saying okay gang. Oh, the reflection of my glasses is not cute. I'm gonna do a little bit of self-care, a little bit of self-love. I might put you over here instead. I'm actually gonna paint my nails. I think I'm gonna go for some pinks, some nudes, you know. Everyone has nail varnish in their house. And my nails chip doing things that I can't do anymore. So why not make myself feel, I always feel good and put together when I've got nice nails. I can't really go out and get them done, can I? I'm gonna do it myself. I'm gonna make myself feel good. I spent a long time on my hair. This one's dyed though, this curl. Like getting ready this morning to make myself feel good. Like I felt good all day, I felt nice. And then I put my comfies on. And I liked my outfit, stuff like that. So I think it's important to put some time into yourself, love yourself. I'm going to FaceTime Iris in a bit, and I feel like that's quite important, isn't it? Because you can't like go outside to see your friends, but you can always FaceTime them and use, everyone's got a phone these days, everyone's obsessed with ready social media, aren't they? So stay in touch with your phone. Okay, hi Missy Moo. Can you stop licking your bum? I don't think people want to watch that. So I've washed my face and taken my makeup off, bringing it a bit closer. I look all patchy. And I just used one of those mitts that all you need is water, because I don't really want to use a lot of product at the moment, you know. I don't know how long I'm going to be inside for. You know, it's so scary and apocalyptic. I loved talking to Iris because she really knows her facts on stuff like this. Like, and she always makes me feel better about everything. Obviously we go on holiday together, we were talking about whether we're going to go on holiday, stuff like that. It was so nice to catch up with her, to be honest, because I do miss her, because obviously we don't see each other very often. I literally just washed my face and like, look how messy that cotton pad is. I'm going to do it again actually. So I guess if you're stuck inside, that's a good thing to do. And there we go. I think that's pretty much my day. I'm just going to get into bed now and watch a bit more YouTube and just sit with Missy. That was my first day in Corona quarantine. Right, there we go. I've been waffling on for 9 minutes. Good job, me. I will see you soon. Please don't forget to subscribe. Give the video a like. Missy's just clambering. Don't stand on my laptop, gorgeous. Okay, jump on the floor then. Okay, bye.